Hello students, I am Adhita sir. Today in this video I am going to discuss the story The Final Victory. The Final Victory extracted from 2003 bestseller The Kite Runner. It has been written by Khalid Hosni. Khalid Hosni is an American novelist and physician. He was born in Kabul, Afghanistan in 1965 and moved to America to the United States in 1980. After finishing graduation, he worked as a doctor in California. His father was a diplomat in Afghan Foreign Ministry and his mother was a school teacher. His notable works are The Kite Runner, A Thousand Splendid Suns, and The Mountains Echoed, and Sea Prayer. As we know now that the story is taken from The Kite Runner, so it is very necessary to know about the story. The Kite Runner is a masterpiece contemporary novel set in Afghanistan. This is a story of love and betrayal, fathers and sons, good and evil. In this story, there are four main characters. The first character is Amir. He is the main character. It means he is in the lead role. Hassan. He is a servant who grows up in Amir's house. Next character is Baba. Baba is Amir's father and a larger than life figure. His nickname is Mr. Hurricane. He is a very strong and he can wrestle a bear. And last character, and he is a villain, he is Asif. He is an evil, racist, rapist, murderer and sociopath. Now let's start the story, The Final Victory. The kite fighting tournament was an old winter tradition in Afghanistan. There was an old tradition in winter in Afghanistan to hold a kite fighting tournament. It started early in the morning on the day of the contest and didn't end until only the winning kite flew in the sky. It was the day of contest and it started early in the morning. And the tournament didn't get over until someone owned the game and flew his kite in the sky. Once the tournament outlasted daylight. Outlasted means to do something for a longer time than somebody or something. So what happens once the tournament outlasted for whole day. People gathered on sidewalks and roofs to cheer for their kids. So all the parents of kite fighters gathered on sidewalks and roofs to encourage their kids. The street filled with kite fighters jerking and tugging on their lines, squinting up to the sky, trying to gain position to cut the opponent's line. All the streets got filled with many kite fighters. They were jerking and tugging on their lines. They were looking up to the sky. They were trying to get position to cut. Every kite fighter had an assistant, in my case Hassan, who held the spool and fed the line. What is a spool? A spool actually it's a round wooden object which thread is put around. You can see it in the image. So the narrator says, and who is the narrator? I tell you who is the narrator. Narrator is the Amir. He is the narrator, and he says that every kite fighter had an assistant, and in his case there was a boy whose name was Hassan, and he was holding the spool and trying to get the right line. The fun began when a kite was cut. But the real fun, the real enjoyment began when a kite was cut. That was where the kite runners came in. Those kids who chased the wind-blown kite drifting through the neighborhoods until it came spiraling down in a field, dropping in someone's yard, on a tree, or on a rooftop. So here narrator says that the real fun began when means the real fun began with cutting of a kite, and it is the time when all the kite runners became active, got active, and they started running behind the kite. And those kids, and where they run behind, they just chase the kite in the direction of wind. Students, when a kite is cut and it started flying in the direction of wind. So that's why he says that all the kite runners started to chase the kite through the neighborhoods, and they chased till the kite came down, till the kite dropped in a field, in someone's yard, or on a tree, or on a rooftop. The chase got pretty fierce, and the chase became very violent. Sometimes it became very violent and fierce. For the kite runner, the most coveted prize was the last fallen kite of a winter tournament. So for the kite runners, for the every kite runner, the most wanted, the most desired prize was the last kite which fallen in winter tournament. So that was the greatly desired prize. Everyone wanted to have that prize. Everyone wanted to win that prize. It was a trophy of honor, something to be displayed on a mantle for guests to admire. Coveted means I have already greatly desired, and mantle, it's a loose garment, covers of clothes, a piece of clothes. So that trophy was given in the honor of in the honor of winning the tournament, and the trophy was displayed on a mantle, on a cover of clothes for guests to admire, to land this prize. It means he got red, means when there remained no kites in the sky except two, means when there left only two kites in the sky. Each kite runner made himself ready with the most desired prize, means the last kite. When the sky cleared of kites and only the final two remained, every kite runner readied himself for the chance to land this prize. When there remained no kites in the sky except two, it means the narrator says that when there left only two kites in the sky, each runner made himself ready with the most desired prize, and it was the last kite. Now we will continue in the next video. I'll upload very soon. If you like it, please share it, comment it, and subscribe the channel so that all other students can learn in this lockdown. Thank you so much. Have a good day.